is it?
I'm not at home. I'm not at home. I'm not at home.
Whose boss is that?
Where's he? Where's the guy that runs towards here?
The only person I saw running towards me went that way.
Oh, he stole the map first.
I said he went that way.
Let's go.
They are gone, come out.
Awago.
They've gone, come out. They are saying you stole somebody's purse.
I didn't steal any purse. I picked it from the ground.
You picked this purse from the ground.
Hannah.
When Mama comes, I'll tell her that you picked the purse from the ground.
No, it has not gotten to that level now. What's the involved, Mama?
I don't need stolen money. I don't need stolen money. Must I run after you all the time? Let Mama come.
Why are you being difficult, eh? Why are you being difficult? Are you Mother Mary? Are you Mother Mary? In fact, do your worst. Do your worst, Inano. Do your worst. And they don't query now. And they don't query now. Do your worst. How market now?
You remember that woman? That woman with the sell up now by Intachos?
By Market Square.
By Market Square by Intachos. Nobody for the woman now. Nobody for her. One now. I'm sure.
She pay. Oh, Bob, your day bolo, high star. See money.
How you win?
Nah, I want Johnson woman no. By that what do you call him? That triangle now, that 3 square. She carry galon, carry one small bag. I follow up the post.
You call it her?
Some boys follow me up.
And they do Jukunaka.
Telling you, they nearly hola. But trust me now. And they don't put it now. You know, get us one bin and then I log out normal level.
What am I doing now? I'm going to go for by around about $20.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you.
Leave me alone. Okay, what is it?
You will tell me today whether I am not the one that gave birth to you or the reverse. Now, give me that woman's purse. Give me the purse you stole. Now.
No, I want one now. I want one.
You give me today.
Mama, leave me now. I don't have any purse now.
If I don't leave you, what will you do?
Nah,
if I don't leave you, what will you do? You will beat me. You will beat me now.
Mama.
At least beat me. Let it be what you have achieved in your life.
What is happening here? Eh?
Okongu guy, thank God you are here.
Yes.
1 year just now, why you know where Bayaki? She's talking about the purse I know nothing about.
Hey.
And I don't go in now. What is it?
Akune, is your purse missing?
Naimba. No, but your son is at it again.
What?
He has stolen another woman's purse. Why, Bonyori? He has stolen another person's purse.
Pap,
now ask him.
Okongu guy, false allegation.
Okay.
False allegation.
Liar. Papa is lying. Was I not here when they came looking for him?
I will blind you. Who called you?
What happened? Tell me what happened.
Nai, I know not. They have even searched my room.
They searched your room.
And they found no purse. So what are they saying?
You see?
And they don't go in now.
They searched your room and saw no purse. So you are innocent.
Papa, he must have hidden it somewhere else. I saw.
I'm a buyo. I'm a buyo. Hey!
Leave this boy, he's innocent.
Leave me alone, oh.
You searched his room, you didn't see any purse. I am warning you.
Okonta.
Yes.
I am not expecting anything better from you. I know it is what you will say. Because you are the one encouraging and supporting this boy. Okonta! Okonta, an elder, does not stay at home and watch the goats give birth in tetas. You are the one responsible for what this boy has become.
Yes.
Papa, what you are doing is not fair. It's not fair.
You like condemning your brother.
Mama, it's okay. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. You know, Papa will always support him.
Excuse me, bro.
Papa, it's not fair.
If you touch
Who
me,
is touching you? Who is touching you?
If you touch me, I'll just grab you. People will see your weakness.
Chukudem, you are sitting down here. Are we not going to have water in this house? Eh? Are we not going to have water in this house this morning?
I'm sick. I'm not going anywhere.
Chukudem is really sick. You are sick. What is wrong with you? Is it typhoid or malaria?
It's complicated.
Mama is lying, no. He has been sitting here playing with these stones.
I will die.
At least I'm doing something.
Go and fetch me water. I ask you to get me. Una fugopa. Chukudem.
Ocho, do it. Leave me alone.
You see why I said that you don't love this boy? You don't treat this boy like a son at all.
Oh.
The boy is sick. It's tough you to go and look for food and drugs for him. Start shouting and shouting and shouting. You go to bed, you go to bed, you go to bed.
Okonta! Okonta!
Yes?
I did not invite you into this matter. I did not invite you. Simply tell Dubem to go and fetch the water I asked him.
Okay. Thank you. Chukudubem, you go and rest a little, eh? You'll be fine. Let me go and look for drugs for you immediately. Drugs and food. Right. Thank God.
Thank you very much, Okongu guy. Thank you very, very much, Okongu.
Okonta! Mr. Supporter of evil. So you could not tell your son to go and fetch water. You can't tell him to go and fetch me water to cook. Eh? He not be a fine boy. You can't even tell your son to go and obey his mother.
Okongu.
Go on, Neje. Neje get the owner. Fetch water for me.
Oh.
Okay. You get tired.
Do you know you're very wicked? So you want Mama to go and use her hand to fetch the water she used to cook food for you and also say to take care of this?
I will bab you. I will bab you.
Mama, that's
Nemo,
Mama.
are you back already?
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
That is almost finished.
My dear, God is good. Oh, God is good for me. I even had some customers that have come early to eat this morning. But they should have stayed to rest at home instead of coming out here early this
Just let me come and help you. Besides, I can see you're very tired. Don't worry, let me do it. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything since I'm here.
How is your brother? Where is he?
Mama, why are you asking as if you don't know your son again? I didn't even meet him at home.
I know Dubem was not sick. I know it when he told me that he was sick. I know he was not sick. Please help my son. And make him change and turn away from these ways he's going. He's an only son. No.
Mama, I don't expect you to be crying like this in a public place. Eh? When you already know your son, Dubem, why are you doing this to yourself? Please don't cry.
God, Bikonu,
Please, Mama.
Change my son for me, Bikonu, change him.
Mama, I'm here for you. Don't worry. Everything will be fine soon. Please don't have to cry, eh? It's okay, Mama. You've not done anything. Mama, you're a good mother. You've not done anything. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
You have been dodging me.
I thought you went out.
Dodging me. I know you are a very busy man. I know of this one. But I still need the money. Just like that.
Come guys, you need money.
Give me the ball.
You still need money?
Yeah.
Come, let me ask you. What are you doing with money at your age?
Money is for the old and the young. It's for the old and the young. At least you know I will service my bike.
So guys, so you are giving me bill now that you want to service your bike.
No.
This your bill is sexy.
Omekania. You see, I love the way you hustle. It reminds me of my young age. I used to hustle like you.
So you were a very sharp young hustler.
Me? Okunta. I hustle more than you do. When you say when you marry a bad wife, and then becomes hardship. Anyway, my son, I love the way you took after me. I love it.
Me, you're proud of me?
Yeah.
I don't think I'll get married in future. I'll just have baby mama self.
That's no problem. Take this little too.
Ogonguga. I don't fear you now, so you can go born now. And then go ready now. Ogonguga. I love you. Ogonguga, one love, man. One love.
Yeah, Chike. You are saying that you caught my son red-handed raping 2 female students.
I saw him, not just him with his friend, trying to rape the 2 girls.
Oh, you said you caught my son trying to sleep or rape the 2 girls?
Because I said I saw your son and his friend trying to rape the 2 girls.
Oh, trying to. They were trying to, but they never committed their act. They were trying to.
Mr. Kota, what difference does it mean?
A lot of difference. When you say they were about to. So you have no reason to conclude that they were raping the 2 girls, whether it was raping or it was tripping. Because those girls may like my son, and they may just do like this and run. And when they run to a hidden place, they stop.
Meaning what?
Meaning that it is now girls that chase boys. Huh? Have you not heard about that women now chase boys?
With all due respect, I am disappointed in you.
Very disappointment yourself.
It is very clear that you are responsible for your son's irresponsibilities. You are the one encouraging.
What is going on here?
I brought a report here to your husband about his son and his friend trying to rape 2 female students, and instead of your husband giving a holistic and fire brigade approach towards calling his son to order, he is here twisting the whole story to favor his son.
Did you say rape?
What? Rape?
My friend, get out of this place. Shut up, what? What? Get out!
I should leave your house.
How can you come back? Why are you following this man? Eh? Unless you have other intention. Better come back. Leave the man alone. Are you coming back?
Like son, like father.
Mama, why are you crying?
You better bring that chair. Bring the chair. Have you heard what happened today?
What happened that way?
At Munze. Obieze Nisu from Munze. He's dead.
Obieze. Okalamu.
He was burned to ashes by the order of the
Anyways, may you so rest in peace, Sha. But why are you crying? Are you people related? Are you discussing?
My dear, I am not crying for him. But I weep for my son and for the future of my only son. That is why I'm crying.
I don't understand.
Everybody that knows Ebieze knows he started with pickpockets. Yeah, what I can do to Aka. It is the exact part you are taking, my son, which will only lead you to destruction
Mama,
and untimely death.
Mama, you see why I hate having conversation with you? What's all this now? Have you caught me picking any pockets? Have you caught me picking any pockets? And then go in that wall.
Just look at you. No respect again. Not even one simple regards for your mother. They caught you trying to rape 2 students.
And then go in that wall. Mama, please. I need rest. I don't have your time. Please.
Dubem! Why? Why choose this part? Can it fall? What is it? Hey!
The seats are not complete. One is missing.
I am not with any. Check your contact.
Check who?
Ogonta?
Check him. Check your contact.
Make sure you don't insult me. What do you mean by check Ogonta? Eh? Why are you insulting me?
Contact, calm down.
Calm down for what?
Everybody in this village knows that you and your son are thieves.
Me?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Very much. Everybody in this community.
What do you mean?
I said it.
Where is
I
it?
said it.
Where is it? How do I know that my tracks are trapped? Look, you're insulting me. You are insulting me. How dare you insult me like that? Eh? And how do you dare
leave my shop now.
How do you dare
It's enough! It's enough!
Leave my shop.
It's enough!
He has insulted me.
Listen.
See, we don't need to quarrel over this. Please, sit down.
Everybody knows you and your son.
Sit down, let us play games.
I'm not playing the game.
Go.
I'm going.
Go.
There's money here
I'm not
for
playing.
you.
Everybody knows you and your son are thieves.
I don't know what I've done to you.
Now what happened? You're
asking me as if you know that nobody in this village has good opinion of this family again because of you.
Because of people.
You are pretending. I know it will come to this. I know it's going to come to this because I told you ab initio to stop condemning your son in the public. But you will not listen. Now we are subject of ridicule and mockery, all because of your handwork. Just because of you.
Nah, I still do not understand what you mean. Are you saying that it is wrong for me to correct my son? Or if you know that I should not correct my son when he errs?
Is that the way to correct a son? Is that the way a mother should correct a son? Is that the way to correct a son? I told you, instead you will go about the whole village go about the whole village discussing with people who have bad opinion and agree with them who have bad opinion about Dubem and see where it has landed us. What have you now achieved?
But Papa, it's very unfair of you to accuse Mama of Dubem's bad attitude. After all, she's not the one that asked him to start stealing people's money and valuable possessions.
Are you sure that Dubem is into stealing?
Yes, he's a thief. He steals.
Are you sure? You see, he just see you. You can't even defend your brother. See, your only sibling.
How long will she continue to defend him? How long? And Nani? How long? Go and get food for him to eat before he dies. Because I don't know where he's coming from and who has offended him there. That he wants to transfer the aggression to me.
Your only sibling. Now you want to label him a criminal and watch him dead. Is that what you want to achieve? What will you achieve by that? What will you achieve? Don't find me my food.
I'm gonna go and give him food before he will die. Just keep defending yourself. This life is a choice. What you decide, that's what will come to you.
Every time.
With my eyes, I will see what will become of you this time. Give him food to eat before he will die. He just came back from wherever he went to without knowing who offended him. He want to take the aggressive to me. It won't work. Oh? All the things you have been saying, I do not even understand what you're talking about. I will correct my son. All that you have said now, they told you that. I don't even know what you're talking about.
What? Dubem the Okonta's son? No. I have received several reports concerning this same boy. Several reports! Oh, I can see. This boy has caught more than his mouth can contain. This time, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget. Guards! Go quickly now and fetch me your contact son. Go!
Thank you, Your Highness.
It's well with you.
Thank you.
Please, save my son's life. Biko, please.
Enough! Enough! Your son here has been fingered severally of stealing people's money, people's valuables, snatching people's handbags, and committing some other petty stealing. And I am very sure that the both of you are aware of this.
No. I don't know anything about that. But you see, these are unconfirmed allegations and accusations concocted by my enemies to punish my son. You see, uncollaborated.
Look at yourself. Just look at yourself. Look at the rubbish you are vomiting with your dirty and the stinking mouth. And their son was caught today by a villager snatching a woman's bag. And you still have the guts here now to defend him.
I have done everything to see that my son turn away from these wicked ways he's throwing after.
You have done nothing. Absolutely nothing. My friend, where is your friend? I said, where is your friend?
This is false allegation. I'm innocent.
Oh, you still have the mettle to lie even before my presence. Oh.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Igwe, save my son. Save his life. Igwe.
Well, I believe all of you heard what happened at Umunze just recently.
Igwe, you cannot pass judgment on my son because he's innocent. You cannot pass judgment on an innocent man. There's no proof whatsoever that he committed this crime. Not single proof, except an eyewitness, which I know might have been bought over by my enemies to destroy my son. There's no exhibit, no any sign to show that my son actually committed a crime. So it would be most unfair, Igwe, most unfair to pass such judgment on an innocent person. It would be in an injustice. Igwe, please allow my son to go.
Okonta.
Igwe.
Okonta.
Igwe.
How many times have I called you?
2 times.
When a mother hen refuses to stop the chicken from playing sick and fine game with the hawk, she should be ready to receive the repercussions. I'm going to leave your son.
Hey, Igwe, thank you. You will live long, Igwe.
Because of lack of evidence, according to you.
Yes.
But let me warn. From today onwards, anybody caught stealing in this community must be burnt alive.
We heard.
Yes, we heard.
Can you leave my palace for me?
Igwe, thank you.
Leave my palace! Go right now. Go out there and fetch that woman for me. That the bag was snatched.
Yes, Your Highness.
Like father, like son. Like son, like father. Okongo gayu, gai man. Okongo gayu, gai man.
I'm looking for my 10K.
You are asking a question, you already know the answer.
Oh, Okongu guy, now one for you. You should have divided it into 2 now. Must you collect the whole 10K?
I could have taken more if I'd seen them. You fucked me up. You're a disappointment.
I don't understand.
Igwe nearly ordered the execution today. He nearly ordered the execution, but I saved him. Igwe made the sharp as a blade, and as clever as a tortoise. And you are so careless, you failed me. And you robbed a person who can recognize your face.
Okongu guy, the woman I took her purse is not from this village. It was her friend from this village that identified me.
Yeah, you should have silenced her. You have silenced her immediately. You see, you have to be very careful in this your job. Your mates are surviving. I don't know why your own should be different. Huh? I don't know.
But Okongu guy, you shouldn't have collected my whole 10K now. Now I'm broke.
Then hustle for more. Then hustle for more. Anyway. But can hustle for more. guy this morning. Manage it. Manage it.
Okongu guy, you took my 10,000 naira and you are giving me 350 naira. And
you hustle for more. I've told you, go and hustle for more. You succeed.
And I don't put it now.
My guy, come and take the money. Guy, man.
I beg of you, please.
I cannot hurt you. Oselenga doesn't hurt people.
Please. I want to go home. Please.
You want to go home? You can't go home now. You got to bless me. Baptalo go see.
Please, I beg. I beg you.
Bring this thing down first. Go.
I'm angry with you. I'm very, very angry with you. What sort of friend are you? No, tell me, what sort of friend are you? You couldn't even check on me.
Chagana, you're not just my friend. You're my brother. You're my brother.
So why didn't you check on me?
You go send his guards to my house now. I have to flee on seeing them. I can have one more fucker. But why did you submit yourself like that? Don't you know the consequences?
They took me unaware. Can you imagine? That stupid king has the guts to send his miserable guards on me. They picked me up. If not for my father, he would have executed me. But no wala.
Chakencha, his business is becoming tough. It's coming too tough.
But you messed up. You should have checked on me no matter what. You should have checked on me.
Chakencha, I was scared of being caught. And my parents became another problem. I have to leave the house. I left the house for them now. Huh? Listen, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't come up.
I swear, I will only forgive you on one condition. I swear I will forgive you only on one condition. I will have 70% of our next deal.
Why will you say that?
Because I lost everything.
Chakencha, I've pleaded for your forgiveness. Just forgive this thing. We'll do a fresh deal.
That's the only way I'll forgive you. My father took my whole savings, my 2 weeks savings. My father took it. Now they don't query now. Can you imagine? I mean, I'm even hungry and I don't have money to eat. I'm hungry and I don't have money to eat.
I have some change with me. Let's go and eat. I'll pay.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina.
Papa.
Yes?
I overheard your conversation with Bem this afternoon. Papa, what will you gain if you succeed in destroying your only son's future?
Are you going to harass me? Huh?
Papa, I am here to tell you that no wise and sensible father will see the downfall of his own son. You're the one leading my brother towards the path of destruction.
Amara, your brother is old enough to be a man. And as a man, he should hustle with his mates for his own survival and accept his responsibility in the family.
But Papa, when has stealing become hustling?
Look at this girl. Eh? Why is it that you always like condemning your brother, your only sibling? You like condemning him. What has he done to you to merit all these things? Eh? Amanachuku, what has he done? Have you ever seen him with any criminal exhibit? Any exhibit? Anything?
Severally, Papa. Papa, plenty times. Plenty times. And it will pain me so much if my brother dies because of all the encouragement you give to him to do evil. And I will stand and tell the whole village how you led him to his death.
Amara, you will do no such thing. You are not going to tell any villager anything. Because if there's anybody that needs to die, it is him. Your wickedness will kill you. My son will not die in your place.
Oh, I can see this is a conspiracy. I don't have time for you people. Let me face my life.
For God to change his life. While I wait patiently for judgment of God to come upon you, for all the wicked seeds you have been sowing inside my son's life, you will die, yo. Your wickedness must kill you.
Mama is okay.
Huh?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I only blame my late brother, Onuma, for recommending you to be my wife. And you are hopeless and useless as Onuma. Eh?
Eh, Papa?
My wife. Oh. I wish the peacefulness and the riches I would have had if I had married Oluchi. How prosperous I would have been. Married this devil.
Don't insult my mother like this, though. Don't insult my mother.
Just look at you. I was wondering why death did not take you along with that your useless, stupid woman that died of cancer lung. Why didn't you die along with her?
I know you want to kill me. I know you want to kill me, Abune. But kill me, Okongu. Okonta. If I just want to, just like this, be way like that.
Look at you, in a more Congo guy. Let say Opachagodu. Shameless old man that achieved nothing. Let me alone. Let me talk to him for once. Shameless old man. Wicked Jezebel. Or Jezebel come to Amosu. You want to kill my only son? It will not work for you. Retire.
Let's go inside.
You got no retirement.
I'll just kill you.
Papa, this is your thing. It's not fair.
This man, you will not do anything. You know, soft knife. How many people have you killed?
Mama.
How many?
Mama, let's go.
Useless man.
Mama, just leave me.
No, look at his head.
Not
Shameless man, look at just look at that and he's here.
Mama, it's
A responsible man.
Mama, it's okay.
Wuligi. Go and die with her. Let the same cancer that killed her kill you.
Mama.
You will die.
Where did you get this goat? Oh, now what kind of nonsense question is that? What's that? These goats are mine. Eh? They're my goats. Show me the birth certificate. Why I said the birth certificate? Show me the birth certificate. These are my goats. These are my goats. I said these are my goats. Show me the birth certificate.
Are you pushing me?
Show me the birth certificate.
What happened?
What are you
They stole my goat.
Can you
These are my goats. They stole my goat.
Get your Oyoshi! Oyoshi! Get your Oyoshi! Oyoshi! Please! Please! Thank you very much. Dalongo. I wonder why your brother seldom makes use of his senses.
Mama, please don't just talk about them. Let's go to the shop. We need to make some money today.
You have to, my daughter.
Yes.
Just look at the way you are helping me.
Mama, it's my duty to help you.
Where is your son, Dubem?
Why are you looking for him? And what did he do?
Your son, Dubem, stole Mr. Foster's goat. You will have ordered for his immediate execution. So where is him? This time, no mercy. Session.
Hey! What? Hey! Hey!
Why are you? Mama, what is this? Mama, what? Mama.
Slinganawa for you. Slinganawa for you. Where have you been now? I've been waiting for you.
I had to make sure I wasn't followed.
We are Igwe's #1 target, including the police. So this village is no longer safe.
Check it out. The worst has happened.
Listen, this village is no longer safe for us. What do you mean by the worst has happened?
Your mother.
Huh? Oh, what about my mother? So the Igwe has the guts to arrest my mother on my behalf, Abi? Muni Igwe Hagabale.
Checking out, your mother is dead.
Stop crying, my son. Please, stop crying. Please, please, please. It's okay, it's okay.
Mama, it's all my fault.
It's not your fault. Don't say this type of thing. You've done nothing to her. You were there when I was advising her to take it easy and stop getting easily worked up whenever it concerns you because of her heart condition. And he refused. He refused to listen to me.
I caused her death. I killed Mama. I killed.
I know you couldn't have allowed the Igwe and their guys to come near you. I know my son. But so keep yourself. Be vigilant. Be strong. It's only women that fall in the battlefield. Men don't fall. So calm down so that we can plan what we shall do to those people that caused the death of your mother.
So you're here crying. You killed Mama. I wish somebody can tell me that we don't share the same blood.
Amara, please. Amara, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me, I'm sorry, please.
Don't you dare tell me you're sorry. Dube, you have killed Mama and I will never forgive you for it.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay, please, I'm sorry.
Dube, God will punish you. It will never be well with you. Mama's spirit will haunt you forever.
Let her be. She's talking like a woman.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
She's talking like a woman when she is.
I'm sorry.
Cool down. Let us.
No, Papa, I killed her. It's all my fault.
So be the man you always been. Ago.
Alphonsus.
Your Highness.
I'm considering pardoning those 2 boys that stole your goats.
Your Highness, those boys are criminals and they deserve to be punished.
Yeah, I understand you. But I'm considering Dubem because he just lost his mother.
Your Highness, Dubem's mother died because of her negligence in bringing Dubem up very well. And as a matter of fact, Your Highness, the woman died, she deserved what she got. But for the sake of children deserved punishment for the sin he committed, so that others will take example from the punishment we laid on him.
I thought you recovered your goods before they were sold.
Yes, Your Highness. I recovered mine. But what of other people that lost their properties without recovering up to this moment? You see, if you pardon those boys, they will do worse tomorrow. You've pardoned them before. So I'm suggesting that they need to be punished so that others will learn example.
I don't understand. Are you issuing an order to me, or you are bringing in a suggestion?
So, Your Highness, I lost some of my properties before. And I'm suspecting that these boys, these dubious boys, must know something about those properties I've lost.
I think I'm beginning to see reasons with your point. I think I will give it a second thought. I will reconsider.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How long are we going to continue like this?
You said this village, we're the most wanted people in this village now. We don't have a hiding place. Since our parents have rejected us.
My father has not rejected me.
Chekina, we cannot go to your house. Your house is not safe. There's no way we hide in your house without being caught. All these prying eyes, they will definitely be on us. What we have to do is to leave this village for good.
Oselenge, you are wrong. We are born here. We were raised here. We belong here. We can't start running now.
Our Chekina, our life is being shuttered up already in this village. Unless you want us to die.
Listen, even the devil knows I can't die now. I need to live up to my dream. I need to buy cars, I need to build houses, I need to do things. So giving up and leaving this village is not working for me now.
See, we need to leave this village. And why I'm telling you, we need a helping hand. We need somebody who can show us the way, who can lead us to our dream. That person is not in this village and can never be in this village.
You're not getting it. Helping hand from where? Do you know anybody that can help us?
I know this man in Onitsha. At least I know him. He's tough. If we can come and join him, definitely he's going to test us. We'll come out successful. We'll be with him. We need just to leave this town. Eh? I can't about one motherfucker.
I didn't query now. I didn't query now.
I am sincerely very, very sorry for the demise of your wife.
Thank you.
She was a good woman, a peaceful and kind woman. The people of Amako are really, really very, very sorry. They commiserate with you. What about your son, the Bem?
Sincerely, I don't know his whereabouts.
Well, I made a pronouncement on him for a crime he committed against the law of this land and deserved to be here himself.
Igwe, did you come here to sympathize with me or to fuck me up?
Don't understand you, Azokonda.
What don't you understand, Igwe? What don't you understand? What I've just said. Eh? You made a pronouncement. And that pronouncement caused me so much pain. It caused me so much pain. You accuse my son of stealing when there is no evidence, no exhibit to collaborate. And my wife became so excited that he had an attack. A heart attack and died untimely, Igwe.
Your son was caught by Alphonsus for stealing his goods and has committed a series of other crimes and deserves to be buried alive for going against the law of this land.
I don't know you're so wicked. I don't know you're so wicked and callous. You caused the death of my wife. And now you want me to bring my son. So I had to kill him also. The God of the land will not forgive you for that. No.
Never. I don't understand the mumbo jumbo you are talking about. I have to remind you that your son committed a crime against the law of this land. Bring him here. Let him face the judgment in the palace here.
I say you have said all you want to say. You've said all you want to say.
Well, I have to tell you. No Kenyada no, it were more noble. Eh? Let it be. Ubochenta kachono welenji.
Damn it.
Who are you? Who are you?
What's your name?
I want to see Mr. Smith.
Who are these people?
I don't know these boys, so Beyonce boss wants to see them.
I called him on the phone. He said we should come.
Yes. Are you sure you called him?
Hello. Go back now.
What is happening there?
Organa, these boys, so Beyonce they won't see you.
My runaway friend. You come to my house uninvited.
What? I thought you guys said you called him. No, the para.
Who got the para? Enough. No be lie, boss. Enough.
You can go back to your duty post. And you may come inside.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina.
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Did you see your brother? For some days now, I've not set my eyes on him. I don't know if he's sneaking into the house in my absence. But if he's sneaking into the house in my absence, must I give you money to keep for me? Huh? Yes, where is the money? Am I not talking to somebody?
Papa, leave me alone, no. Papa, leave me alone, no.
Ma, you're shouting at me?
Papa, your only son is declared wanted for a crime. And you're here asking me if he kept money for you.
Is he not supposed to keep money for me? Look at you.
I regret being the daughter of a useless father.
Useless father?
Papa, you're a disgrace to fatherhood.
If you talk again, I'll give you a dirty slap.
Papa, don't touch me, oh. Papa, don't touch me, oh.
If I slap you, what do you do? Stupid woman. If I slap you now, what will you do? What contribution are you making for the family other than cooking, kitchen, and washing plates? Your mates are there in Abuja. Your mates are there in Abuja getting connected to rich and influential men of the society. And using their beauty to enrich themselves and their family. And you are here. You are here deluding yourself as the most beautiful girl in the village. Abi? Most beautiful girl in the village. Living in your father's house.
Papa, you are asking me, your daughter, to go into prostitution.
Do you know that there is something like bottom power? Must it be prostitution? You can marry them. You use your brain to help yourself. Please, I hope my food is ready. I'm warning you, you are staying in this house too long. Remember, we are getting old. That's why I'm saying this thing. Every day you are growing old. And very soon, nobody will talk to you. Then you know what you have done to
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody, we fear nobody. We shake the town.
That envelope contains your first and second assignments. I believe you're properly trained on how to handle a gun.
Yes, sir.
Good. You're about to go through a litmus test in which if you fail, let's straight to your graves.
There is nothing like failure in my dictionary.
Save your breath. It is easier said than done.
We fear nobody.
You guys have proven your worthiness for this job. And I salute your courage.
Like I told you before, there is nothing like failure in my dictionary.
Most of your mates failed, but you didn't. Yeah, I will make you guys my close pals.
Boss, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. But I'll tell you something. I had a thought.
This time I will take you to the rest of my boys and let them know about your victory. Please, you may sit.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
What of our brother? That one. Nobody has seen that one since the Igwe declared him and his friend wanted in the village.
I'm sure he's not going to come back unless he wants to die. What a cursed family.
Lucy.
It's a cursed family. Okay. Her father, a lazy drunk. Her mother is dead.
Hi.
And her only brother, a wanted criminal. Do you wish to have such a family?
God forbid. Mbano.
Oh, that's why I said it's a cursed family. Eh? See, I'm always mindful of my things anytime Amarachi comes visiting me. Because you never can tell if stealing runs in their blood.
Lucy, that's so unfair. Amara is our friend. You saying such a thing is not nice. But it might be true. Just feel sorry for her. How can such a miserable thing happen to a nice family like Amara's family? Me, from today onwards, anytime Amara comes to my house, I'll be keeping my own things safe. I don't want anything to happen to my own property.
So this is how the both of you gossip behind my back. I thought you were my friends. But I can see you both are just wolves in sheep's clothing.
No, Amara, it's not.
Don't explain anything. I heard everything. There is no need. Both of you can live your life the way you please. You don't have to associate with a cursed girl from a cursed family.
Like, we do not say anything. Amara, please. Amara, leave her, let her go, John. Do you need to beg to associate with the devil? Her family is cursed and it's high time we end our relationship. Do you understand? Please, let's hurry up. I have so many things to do at home. Don't tell me that rubbish.
Good day.
Good day, Mr. Moye. Good day.
You're having problem with your bike?
Yes, I'm suspecting fuel, you know. I'm suspecting fuel. I will take it to petrol station now.
Okay, well done.
Mr. Moye, a minute, please. A minute. Did you see my son? I've not seen him for some time now.
What kind of stupid question is that?
I ask you a simple question. Instead of you to answer, give me a simple answer. You are talking jazz. I might give you a simple question. Where is my son? Do you see my son? Yes or no?
Well, I did not see your son. Even if I did, Igwe will be the first person to know. Then the local vigilantes will be the second to know. Because your son, as far as I'm concerned, is a condemned criminal.
What type of person are you? Look, you're just talking rubbish. I ask you a simple question and you're dribbling yourself, going up and down. Eh? What type of thing is that?
Look at you. Now I know that you have been the one encouraging your son to carry out all his criminal activities in this town.
What?
Eh? Now he has abandoned you.
Thunder fire you there.
Thunder fire you and your family too.
Mumu. Look at you.
Criminal family.
But why do I waste my time talking to this Mumu?
You have been supporting your son.
Police, get out of my side.
You, one day, police will catch you too.
Oh, Mumu. You are a Mumu.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
I like humble and loyal people in my life.
We shake the town. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the city. Udogune pembe. AKA Namibi Shakina.
Get down. Get down.
Go down on your knees.
I'm busy when I will kill us for here now. I wanna. What in the bring go down?
Shall I listen?
Go down on your knees.
They can go for the game. They have proven their loyalty and worthiness to work for this league. What are your names?
Namibi Shakina, AKA Odogune Pempe.
Chakincha.
Osokwa, give me the
Chakincha.
That's why I know for now.
Hey, what is your name?
My name is Osekoko. Osekoko by Oselenge. Fungamu nemweriru.
Now listen to me. I hate stubborn people, or else I will take your lives. Stubborn people. I hate stubborn people, or else I will take your lives. My own head.
On the drove for be peka.
What's the walk?
Great League of the Spreaders.
Odogune Pempe. Odogune Pempe.
No money for me na village una park.
I will abide.
How even bag abele rapidi? Tau.
Amecheluga okona makano Odogune Pempe. Boom. Touch a bossa.
I never lamb a day, I know be fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming with they get the money. Next year by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva. She said I got fever. I got her for liver. We put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I be waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lewis in one look. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody verbal. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You still the front boss for your pockets. There is God up, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. Listen the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make her follow your way. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go on the show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go on the club, I dey pop something. Baby girl, small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pack plenty. The road, shake or see. Kilo fire, emergency. Now we be the baddest. See. I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go any place, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every year. And if you come meet me, you go take a year. I'm a town, never wish you there for summer, yeah. Not the fun for my side, come up for yeah.
Yo, we the baddest. We the good man, the show, we the run them. We the good man, the studio, we the boss anything. We just coming up still, we the shine like the star. We the top anything, we the kill anything. We the boss anything, we the run anything. Cause now we be the baddest. We the good man, the show, we still the run them. We the good man, the studio, we the boss anything. We the kill everything. Cause Rocky, yo.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
Debut. These are my new boys. They have proven their royalty and worthiness to my league. And I brought them here for you to know them in case if you see them in duty post. You don't bother asking of their identity.
Their names?
My name is Shakina.
Shakina.
AKA Odogune Pempe.
Osekoko.
Ruggedness. Too rugged. Well, I want to tell you that the police is your friend. So do not be afraid to operate any time of the day. I'm here to protect you. Mr. Smith, I've seen them.
It's okay. That's all right. I think,
outdated Igbo. Old school Igbo, in fact, go down. Please. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Now you listen real good. I want you to tell the whole villagers that you have forgiven me and my friend, that no one will disturb us again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Now call me big guy.
Big guy. Big guy.
Call me big guy.
Big guy. Oh no! Please. Please spare my daughter. Please. Let her take my life and spare my daughter. Please.
Wait.
Sister, please.
Stand up. I said stand up with a question. Stand up. Igwe.
Stop this game. Make you want your law. That kind of guy there. Make you miss one your law.
Oh, please now. Please. Sister, please now. Sister, please. Sister, please.
I'm actually going to play tonight. I'm going to play tonight. Get me now, what's going on? You got no lana. Why not now?
I can't take this back.
Please, my daughter, please, bear with me.
Father, Father, the virginity I've kept for Kelvin for so long. And now this, no, I can't.
I know, please, it's just a matter of time. It's alright. This shall be well.
Oh, no.
Please stop crying. Stop crying for God's sake. You will fall sick. You will fall sick. It's okay.
I want to fall sick.
Please.
I won't take it. I won't.
Remember that time heals. Okay? Listen.
No!
Papa, you're not going anywhere. Papa, you're not going anywhere today. Papa, give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
What's wrong with you? Eh? Okay.
Papa, give me money.
When I come back.
Come back from where? Papa, give me money now. Do you know when you be getting... Papa, don't hit me like that. Papa, don't hit me like that. You want to kill me the same way you killed my mother. Papa, you are the one that couldn't kill my mother. Papa, you're not going anywhere.
Look at this girl.
Papa, you're not going anywhere.
I don't have money. Now.
Did you ask where you be? Where you get money to feed me? Are you not my father?
Your father.
Are you not my father?
You are my mother.
Papa, you're not my father. Papa,
Papa,
you are going. Papa, go let me see you. Papa, you.
Like father, like son. Like son, like.
We be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go on the show, I dey back plenty. I dey go on the club, I dey pop something. Every girl smell me, go I got something. Dura, shake cozy, kilo fire emergency. Now me be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go on the club, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every day. And if you come with me, you go take a year. You go take a year. Now we be the baddest.
Cheers.
Come, guy.
Well, I know you people are very, very curious to know what happened.
Yes, of course.
Fine and good, I will explain. First and foremost, I want to apologize for the way I left this village because the Igwe was after me. But guess what? I ran into a wonderful man in Onitsha. His name is Mr. Ikenga. So he introduced me to his aluminium business. And guess what? There is money in that business.
So brother, you're now working in a big aluminium company in Onitsha.
Oh yes. So I'm now into aluminium.
That's right. Thank God. This is the best news I've heard since I was born.
Oh, Konguga.
See, the thought of my enemies, each and every one, will go very low. You are welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Papa, but there's still a problem.
Which is
what? Which problem?
The Igwe is still looking for him and his friend.
No, I will fix that. First and foremost, I'm now a changed person. I don't steal anymore, I don't do all those people. No. So I will go to the Igwe's place and plead for mercy.
Yes, and lobby him.
More sense, lobby him.
I like this drink, oh.
Drink,
I
right?
like it.
Enjoy, have fun. Oh, go, Buga!
I did.
Good afternoon.
Sakle Sasa. Sawa. How are you now?
I'm fine.
You're looking tongue.
You're so funny.
I'm not. Asa, it's not been long I left this village. And I'm back. I can't even recognize you. What's up now? What's going down?
Well, I guess it's because of the joy in my heart that my only brother is now a successful man, all thanks to you.
Oh, thanks to God Almighty, He made it possible. Where's the man?
He just went out a few minutes ago.
Are you serious? I guess he has gone to my house to see me. Maybe I'll go and see him.
Okay.
Sakle, sir. I don't know whether if we can be friends.
Friends? But we're already friends. Besides, you're like a brother to me.
Let me get your titi now, so I can call you down to down.
Oh, number?
Okay. I'll call you, alright?
That stupid man. Where are you?
Who is that? Who's the person barking like a dog in front of my shop?
Me, Okonta, barking like a dog? And what? Look at what you call a shop. It's not even qualified to be a kiosk. Let me tell you.
Onyago, what do you want? Just go to the point, talk. What do you want? What do you
Calling me Oboyanuntu? Oh, I'm sorry for you. Poverty has made you so blind that you cannot distinguish a rich and a poor man. Eh? Anyway, I don't want to waste my words with you. How much do I owe you?
Hey, now you are talking as if you know what is in my mind.
Yes, tell me how much I owe you.
Ngwa, my money is 600 naira.
Said man, 600 naira only? Oh, poverty. I can even give you 100 times this and you still remain wretched. I can give you 100 times this and you still remain wretched. My son, Shakina, is back and rich. He's back and rich.
Because you simply borrowed from Peter to pay Paul. You come here to make noise. There's no need. Blood money.
Wishful thinking.
Ha!
Wishful thinking. Look at you.
We know you.
Wishful thinking. That's just wishful thinking. My son is 10,000 times better than you. He has got the money. 10,000 better than you. He can even buy you. I have the money here. Look at the money. You know I have the money. But I won't come to this shop again. Never. Level has changed though. You are now far below me. I will now go to a hotel where I will drink chilled drinks, enjoy fun, enjoy television. You see, level has changed. Just think I wouldn't have insulted him.
Like father, like son.
Okonta!
Like son, like father. Like father, like son. Like son, like father. Okongo gayu, gai man. Okongo gayu, gai man. Like father, like son. Like son, like father. Like father, like son. Like son, like father. Okongo gayu, gai man. Okongo gayu, gai man.
Luluma. Jideka. I was going to your house. I'm just coming back from the market. I thought as much. Hey, my Oma.
Lu, have you heard the latest gist in town?
What gist?
Dubin is back, Asa's brother.
What? Are you serious?
Very serious.
Hey! So he has finally decided to hand himself over to Igwe to be buried alive.
Do you know that Igwe has forgiven him and he's not going to be punished anymore?
What are you talking about?
Let me tell you. The Igwe has pardoned him for everything he has done. He got a job in Onitsha and he has stopped stealing. Before he's no more stealing.
Hey! Wonders shall never end. Are you sure of what you're telling me?
I am very sure. Lu, do you know what? I think we should just go and apologize to Amara. Let's just go.
For what? Why? Me? Apologize to Asa? Why? Is it because her brother has suddenly become rich overnight?
No, it's not that. See, we didn't need to betray that girl at all. She is our friend. She is your friend and also my friend.
If you don't want to apologize, I want to apologize. See, if you don't need her friendship, I need her friendship. Let's go and apologize. Please. Let's go now. Why, young man? Let's go.
Now you listen real good. I want you to tell the whole villagers that you have forgiven me and my friend, that no one should disturb us again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Take me back to the palace.
Igwe, everything alright?
Take me back to the palace, I say. Turn.
But Your Highness, we're almost close to the police station.
I need to go back to the house. Take me back to the palace.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the town. We fear nobody.
My son. Now that we are alone, don't you think it's high time you told me the truth? What do you do for a profession?
Hey, Okombu guy. I thought you believed my story.
You can tell that to the Marines. I'm your father. I know when you tell me the truth and when you're not telling me the truth. I'm just playing on because of your sister.
Okombu guy. Alright now. Let me tell you what's up. Okombu guy. I'm still into my old way.
That's so.
Yes now. I just upgraded my game. Now it's gone.
That's right. In Abiakala. You have arrived. You have arrived.
Yeah.
But it's money, but it's risky.
Yeah, very risky.
You know it's risky.
Very soon I will build my own house.
Egwa tonight, I will now show you where I'm Okunta. I'll tell you where I'm Okunta. I will take you to a medicine man that will make you invisible. Then the sky will be a starting point.
Even in my next world, you will still be my father. You are the best father. Okongu guy.
That's right. Mom.
Okongu guy.
You are my son. You are my blood. And nothing will happen.
I think they will now.
What the heck, man?
Are you serious?
Stages of life.
This is how you used to live here.
What do you girls want?
Asa, we came to ask for your forgiveness.
For what? For what? You girls did not offend me. Rather, I should be the one asking your forgiveness by coming to seek your friendship when you girls already see me as a cursed girl.
Amara, please don't talk like that. Please. We still value your friendship so much. Eh? You turning your back on us now is unfair.
Turn your back on you? You girls turned your backs on me by making me look like a fool.
Please.
Please forgive us.
You will not talk like
You should not do that for me now. Get up.
I forgive you.
Are you sure?
I'll forgive you, forget so.
Thank you.
I missed it to forget this coming on.
This girl. I was thinking that's come back.
I wanted to deal with you, Musimo.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, where is your brother? We heard he's now working.
Yes, yes. He now works with a very big aluminium company and he writes a very good car.
Where is he?
He has come back to Onitsha where he now resides. But he promised me that we'll be back before the year ends.
Hi.
Udo. I would have loved to see him.
What? Did we say anything?
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina.
Boss, please, I would love to speak my mind. Kandiba is now. No, I already have refuso. Please, I wouldn't want us to rob the Church of God. I can do all the bad things on this earth, but I've never thought of robbing the church or hurting the saints of God. Please, I checks. We'll look for somewhere else to rob.
Bad reasoning. To go rob church, and the reason by two ways. If the church no dey pay tithes on street, if you rob them, but if the church will they pay tithes, God feed this for us. You get? So we just know what's up with the church first, whether they pay tithe or they no they pay tithe.
Shut up your mouth! Who asked you to utter such utterance? Who asked you to suggest or not suggest in this league I play? Don't you I am the only cock that crows loudest in the forest here. So remain calm. I have money like this. Hey, hey!
And you want place?
If I miss, come on. Listen to me. I only see people like you in the zoo. Keep quiet. One night, Mabugi, what Mabugi? Hey, shut up! Now let's send the other son. Mabugi. Who's going to get Mabugi? Shut up! Let me tell you. Mabugi, what? Shut up! No, don't forget. You need to put it. Mabugi. Mabugi, this guy. Zelenge. Calm down, Chama. What is it? Calm down, Zelenge. I go fuck you up. Don't tell me. I will. Let you in a better shape. I want you to sit down now.
If I stand up for here, una go know the meaning of change.
Chaginta. This guy. Sit down there. Sit down. No, don't fret them. Go on. You're not never to do no for us. If I go on, you are gone. Now, when the man babugi. I want to figure. You send me. Don't fret. You like a silent, but no fret. I think I'm a little nyoka. No, don't fret. Mabugi. I don't know. I know. But I don't know. Papa Puswa. Papa Puswa. No, don't fret. You like a silent, but Mabugi. This guy. Mabugi. Enough.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha. Robinson, where are you and your men?
Sir, we are currently in pursuit of the dreaded armed robbers group.
What? Are you out of your mind?
Sir, they just attacked the church and made away with a huge amount of money, but I can assure you we are close to apprehending them.
Inspector Robinson, are you mad? It's too risky. I want you and your men back to station immediately.
Sir, we are already close to them.
Look, I don't care. Turn that vehicle around and head back to station immediately.
Yes, sir, but one of my men is down and his wound pretty bad.
Then take him to General Hospital and return here immediately. Can you imagine overzealousness? Huh?
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We ran into the police and they nearly apprehended us.
What? The police?
I'm telling you, man. You know police and their normal way now. But guess what? I disfigured one of them. Don't be smart, you know. Most see shootouts. They were after us, but at the point, you know, as they go now. Gary no fit pass water.
Maybe they got some fucking call from their DPO. Yeah.
They called their DPO. Short game. No, you not short game.
Boss. I suggest we upgrade in our level of operation. And let's get some machines. If I can have one model for Haka. So come back at Nagota.
All those Uzi now, you know, color.
You're right. You're fucking right.
Short game. No, you not short game. No, you not short game. Short game.
Inspector Robinson, what were you thinking when you left this station with your team without my consent?
Sir, I tried radioing on you, but the network was bad.
You have no right to have left without my permission.
I'm sorry, sir. I received so many distress calls and I couldn't bear it, then I called for the operations.
Now see, you took a decision that nearly took one of your men and is suffering from loss of injuries. Now, I told you to be very careful about these armed robbers.
I'm sorry, sir. It will not repeat itself again.
Look, you have no idea of what these armed robbers are capable of. You are new in this town. I warn you, next time you act without my permission, I recommend you a transfer. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Look, I am the DPO of this district. And it's my duty to make sure crime in this town comes to an end. And that's what I must do.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It will not repeat itself again, sir.
Better.
Thank you, sir.
To carry it?
My sister. Sorry. I didn't know you were still here. I thought you had gone home already.
How can I leave only you to do all the work at home? It's not fair.
I can't see Njideka. Where is she?
She just left. Her brother came to fetch her. Yes.
But you're used to, you should also go, eh? I don't want your mother to come here looking for you.
Don't worry, let me stay small.
Lucy, you've really done so much for me and I appreciate it. Look at all the work you've done. See all the compound. Hey!
Are you chasing me away?
No, now. How would I do that?
I'm sure you know why I'm doing all this. Amarachi, Asa. I'm interested in your brother. Hey, I want you to help me speak to him when he gets back.
So you're serious about this?
Eh? I'm very serious. I'm in love.
Okay, not to worry. I'll talk to him on your behalf. Okay. But let's hope he hasn't found any woman he wants to get married.
Please don't say it, oh. Don't. Ha. Please, oh.
But don't worry, it's my brother, I can handle him. Oh God. Let me help you and finish your work.
I don't know what your son might have been telling you, but he is a heartless bastard.
So you sent for me so that you can cast aspersion on the integrity of my son? I insult my son, Igwe. That's why you brought me here.
I don't know what he has been telling you as what he has been doing for a living.
My son works with an aluminum company at Onitsha.
And in your foolery, you sheepishly believed him, right?
I smell injustice. I smell foul play. I smell jealousy. What is happening around me? Just tell me.
Your son's criminality has accentuated to a point that he carries guns. He even came here with his friend and threatened my life and that of my princess, the princess of Amako.
Impossible. How can my son come to and threaten you with a gun? It's unbelievable.
He came here with his friend who raped my daughter in my own presence here in the palace.
But it has taken more than 2 weeks. My son left this kingdom. And you never made mention of it. You even told me that you forgave him of all the crime he committed in the past. And now, we are saying this. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. You may be saying the truth, but I want to let you know that my son has powerful enemies. My son has powerful enemies who are ready to shatter his reputation.
Your son is a bloody criminal. And he will reap from where he is sowed. He is going to get everything that he deserves as a criminal.
Igwe. Now I can see you are one of those enemies I mentioned. I was referring to Abination. I don't see why the success of my son will make you jealous. I don't see why that now my son has become a successful man. He becomes your target. Igwe, Chukudubem is innocent. His hands are clean. And my enemies will soon be ashamed. My enemies will soon be ashamed. Igwe, my enemies will soon be ashamed. Living.
Selenge cannot do this to me. It was in a dream.
I'm sorry.
We have the deal, Debut. I'm disappointed.
Please. I'm sorry. Just calm down.
For what? I am not happy. do you allow your men to threaten the lives of the boys I sent on a mission?
It is the new inspector we have here. He acted without my permission.
Then you have to do something and have him removed from here. Or I will tell my boys to take care of him.
I will handle the situation.
This is the last time I will say this. Any further disturbance, I will unleash my squad on your men. You will not like it.
Please don't. I beg of you.
You're not getting a kobo from the last operation because you messed up.
No problem. All I want from you is to forgive me for us to maintain our business relationship. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me.
What if something happens to him? You are an experienced man. You're still a low life. You can't do anything, okay? My prince.
I'm dying for you, hey. For your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up. If I am wrong, hey.
Mama, what is it? Why are you looking like this?
Mama, two guys came from the palace and said that Digo wants to see Obinna.
Again?
Again! He's bothering me because since then I've not seen him.
Hey! What are we waiting for? Let's go to the palace. Come, let's go to the palace.
Stop there!
I want to see my son.
The Igwe does not wish to see your presence in the palace.
Why?
Yes. Leave now.
I want to see my son.
No. Leave now. Leave.
My brother is here.
I want to see my son. Stop
it. Your Highness.
My queen.
Your Highness.
Yes?
This is the order from the king.
So? My queen. I came back from the market. My son told me that some guys came and took away my senior son Obinna. and that they brought him to the palace. And since then he has not returned. I know Obinna very well, I can swear. My son can never do such a thing.
And he did not do it. I know he did not do it. Pray that the gods will aid him.
He said,
help him.
He said,
Why would the princess think of a thing like that?
My fear is that the custom of the land states that anybody caught in this act shall be buried alive. Hey! And you are an exception to it.
My queen, my son is innocent.
I know.
My son is innocent.
Kira, I know. I know he's innocent. But what can we do?
My son is innocent.
Think of it. I think Obinna is innocent of the allegation.
My dear, you never can tell. You know the princess is so pretty that any man that sees her will want to have his way into her.
My instinct tells me that he is innocent.
I don't know. All I know that serves him right. Who I pity is the wife to be Adora.
So, she'll just lose him like that.
From the first I met Obinna, I knew he was something else.
Please, keep your mouth shut. Don't say what you're not sure of.
Please, let's go and feed our eyes at the palace.
Temper justice with mercy. Thank you.
My son, I will never forgive you. We're talking about our son, yeah? Our first son. And look at how you're handling this situation.
So what do you want me to do? Die with him? A rapist?
You call your own son a rapist?
Of course he is a rapist.
That means you're the father of a rapist. Never forget that.
Papa, you know Obinna too well. You know you cannot do such a thing.
Oh, shut up. What do you know? Now listen to me. Being sentimental over this matter will not make any difference. Let him go and prove his innocence. And I think the only reason why two of you are talking here is because you have no shame. Oh yes, if you do, you won't be talking here.
All I know is that my son is innocent.
He's not a rapist. No, Obinna is not a rapist. Obinna is not a rapist.
Would you shut up?
If I am more, I'm crying for you.
My brother, he's so amazing.
Come to me.
So, Obinna will just die.
Just like that. A princess that loves to give away her pride to him, just in a platter of gold. How could he be so foolish going to steal it from her? I'm disappointed in him. I'm disappointed in Obinna.
Anyway, let's be fast and go to the palace and see what the Igwe's final judgment will be. Let's go.
Fool thought it wise to think he could rape my only daughter, the princess of the As we all know, the custom and tradition of this place states that anyone who tries to rape a maiden here shall be stoned to death or buried alive.
Yes! He must die!
I did not make the rule. My ancestors did. Therefore, by the way, where is the princess?
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What of our land?
It should be somewhere rest, because the pains are much. Guards!
Your Highness,
take him away and bury him alive.
My son is innocent! My son-in-law is innocent. Everybody knows he cannot do such a thing. Please.
Keep quiet, woman. Do not forget that women have no say when it comes to the tradition and custom of this land. Otherwise, I will call for your heads and I'll have them.
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What of our land?
Is that why you lied against an innocent man?
How did you get here?
Give him to me peacefully.
You foolish lowlife. How dare you command the servants of the royal household? Stay clear!
I said, give him to me peacefully.
Get out of our way!
I won't.
Please, don't
move an inch.
Servant, please.
Now listen. Run like a goat out of this place and go and tell them what you say.
What is after you? Who is pursuing you?
Your Highness, my mouth cannot speak what my eyes saw.
What is it that your eyes saw, your mouth cannot speak? Where are the other guards? Where are they?
They are dead. They are dead, Your Highness.
They are what?
They are dead.
Dead?
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you mean they are dead?
That is something nobody on earth will wish to experience, Your Highness.
Who killed them?
Adora, Your Highness.
Leave me alone. I don't know where she is.
If you don't produce her,
then you are going to the palace with us. I do not know where she is. Leave me alone.
You must go with us, or you provide her.
Let her be. She's not going anywhere.
She must go with us.
I said she is not going anywhere.
She must go with us. Move her! Move! Don't touch me!
Don't have to.
Immediately.
Relax.
Where is that going to be? Look, this place is very dangerous. Something bad might happen to us.
Relax. I'll be back. Let me go and get you water. Excuse me.
You stay out of my way. I have come in peace. I am sent by the gods of the earth. Gods of the earth, come to my aid.
Of Eziani.
You. Guards! Yes! Arrest her.
Have you asked yourself how you became the king of this land?
I cannot be alive and watch Emenike, the son of that witch, be the next king of Ezara. Mbano, Omanne. Not when I'm still alive. It cannot happen. Mbano.
I have told you that you know the best thing to do. What you need to do is make him not to live on this earth again.
I can't use a thing like that. If I do, kill me before I didn't think at me.
You know that there are many ways to kill a bird. It's very simple.
The both of you should go back. I wish to go alone.
But my prince, the king is not.
And I said I want to go alone.
Alright, my prince.
Better.
Sorry. What? Take your hands off. What is going on? What is going on? You want to rape me? Rape you? Rape you? Take your hands off me. You must reach palace. Take your hands off me. I never rape you, woman. What is your problem? Me rape you. You must reach palace. You must die.
Father, you have to believe me, honestly. I'm innocent. I never did it.
Father, you have to believe me. You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Believe me, I never did it. Father, this is a setup.
would you bring this shame to me?
Father, you have to believe me. I swear by the soul of this land, I'm innocent, Father.
Woman, I'm disappointed. So this is the reason why you refuse the guard from following you.
Father, I swear by the soil of this land, I never raped this woman. I never did, Father.
And you, woman, is this how you intend ruling this land?
Your son is innocent.
I'm disappointed at you. Is this how you intend ruling this land?
You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Father, you just have to believe me. I never raped this woman. I never did.
God! Take him and bury him alive!
Bury him alive! I'm innocent! I'm innocent! I'm innocent!
An innocent blood was shed, and the same thing almost happened to Obinna today because of your daughter's selfish interest.
How did you come to know all this?
How? It is not your business. The sins of the forefathers must be inherited by their new generation.
Viziane! The gods of Viziane can never forsake his people!
No! You will pay for this! You will pay for this!
It to end this way. Oh, nature must take its place. Yes.
My love, I don't understand. What are you talking about? Huh?
Obi, I love you so much. I love you.
I know. Okay, you look so weak, okay? I think you need a cold bath. Let me take you to the swimming pool. Go back.
Igwe must be given a befitting burial. Your daughter will live. She's alive.
Where am I?
Go to Para. Your destiny awaits you.
Who are you?
That shouldn't be a priority now. Go!
I don't know what came over him. It is well. Only the gods know why it happened. What of Adora? That one I cannot tell. Nani! Who is after you?
I saw Obinna.
Obinna! Where?
Running towards the palace direction.
Was he with my daughter?
No.
Hey!
It was only him.
They are both meant for each other.
My son! My son! Oh, thank God my son is alive!
Adora has gone back to where she belongs. You were used to bring peace and harmony into Eziani, but you shall be rewarded. Not the gods.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love.
What are you doing here? I told you to go. What are you still doing here?
We have come to say we are sorry for all the past.
We are sorry. Eh? You are sorry after you insult you poured on me.
We are sorry for insulting you. We shouldn't have insulted you or mocked you. We are
sorry.
No, come on. Get up. I'm not God. But I'm not going to be your friend again. Because the level has changed.
We'll be so obliged if you can employ us to work in your son's side as laborers.
Is that all you want?
Please, your contact.
Is that all you want? Okay, you'll be employed. You will report to the manager at the site. I will speak to him, but I'll pay you only 1,000.
1,000? Contact? No. Others are collecting 2,000.
You don't want to work, collect 1,000. You go now.
No, Kunta, we will accept it. We will accept it. We will accept it. Forget about my friend's earlier statement. We will accept it.
All right. You can go. I called you back, you and your friend, based on the discussion we had last time when before you left for Onitsha.
Papa, what's up? What's up?
That's good, man. I've discovered a very powerful automobile man. Very powerful.
What you say?
Very powerful automobile man.
Where is this man?
At Calabar. The man's at Calabar. So you make our time. Delay is dangerous.
Calabar, here we come.
I get Tinyaro.
Zubo.
Tinyaro.
What you seek, we shall find.
We shall be very grateful if we do, great one.
The sheep that wishes to grow big teeth must be ready to grow big leaves that will cover them. It's going to be a 3-day ritual rite inside this shrine. They will meet you in 3 days. You may go now.
Thank you.
You may now lie on the casket. Remove your cap and your eyeglasses.
wanted to shock you. Asanwa, how are you? Ultima, my sister, Ultima. This one you came out early this morning. My sister, I had to rush my chores at home because I want to come and see your brother. You didn't tell me he's back. I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. He came in yesterday and had to live with my father. Your father? I hope all is well. Relax, all is well. They went to Calabar to go and see a new house my brother recently acquired. A house? Hey! That your brother is indeed in money. Eh? But I never knew aluminium company workers are this rich. See this one though. You think it's those small aluminium company you hear about on the radio? He works with a multinational company. Hey. Hi, my dear. How lucky you are. So, God has indeed made your family proud. And you will soon be a part of that same family. Amen. Even my legs are saying amen. See, don't worry, I'll let you know as soon as he comes back. I'm sure he should be back like in a day or so. Okay. And you know Calabar is very far from here. So not to worry, I'll definitely tell you. My dear, let me go and help my mother in the farm. I lied to her that I'm going to my tailor's place. Chai, Lucy! You can lie, oh! Oh yeah, go. I'll come and see you later today. Go. I'm waiting for you. Okay, don't worry, I'll let you know. Okay. When I see you, I'll have this for you later. Yes,
You are now back from the death of the flesh to a new life. Welcome, my children. You are now indestructible. Nothing will harm you anymore. Waka Loco!
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the town. We fear nobody.
Have you seen Shakina and Oslange recently?
I have not seen them.
And you know where they live?
Sure.
Go and get them for me. It's time I teach them lessons. Nobody leaves the town without my consent.
Consider it done.
Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
When I was coming up, our neighbor stopped me. He said somebody came to look for us. With the way he described the person, I guess it's Otaka.
Otaka, what does he want from us?
Maybe he Smith something.
Smith. Well, thanks for not calling that big fool our boss.
It's very obvious that he's very angry with us the way we left him. It's quite obvious.
I am about to take over, and nothing can stop me.
What are your plans? How do you intend to take over?
I didn't query now.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha. We fear nobody.
The gladiators, listen and listen real good. I called you all out here for a serious purpose. This man is too old to be our boss. Come on. This is new generation, jet generation. I can single-handedly kill this old fool that calls himself our boss. Then I will reprogram this organization, invent new things. For instance, we'll now hit on any deal, it will be equal share, no 60-40. That man is too old to be our boss.
Bam talk. See, let me tell you,
check it out. No, it be like say your brain no dey breathe again. Abi?
Oh, it's again.
No, your brain no dey work again. How dare you? Just imagine. How dare you voice out such thing for your mouth? How dare you? How dare you?
Listen, everyone. We all sworn allegiance to stick to the powers that guides the league, and we will stick to it till the end come. Oko sisi adiepu nankete.
Now I am like the. Listen, I'll tell you something. What's Chakin Chancha, Chocolate Cha by Chakin Cha said is the real thing. Let us be reasonable. Yeah, we cannot have a stingy and a greedy man as a boss. As a leader, it's not done anywhere.
Shut up, man. Our boss is not greedy. I don't know what you know. Not you and this your friend, and I'll be the greedy man. Since you guys came into this place, it's all about greed. Wagam. If our boss hears of this your plot, now die you.
I want to you know, you go tell her. You call in call. You know, you call look about.
Ofora. Now how you away? Listen, calm down. Like I said before, it's not a shouting ish. Listen really good. It's jet generation, new generation. We need to upgrade. Let's see tomorrow. Let's see the future. Let's make this thing bigger. Let's upgrade. This man is too old to be our boss. Don't you understand? If I become the new leader here, no more 60-40.
You want to become new ambassadors? Excuse me. I see vividly well that you are out of your mind. I am not interested in this your suggestion again. You that I always find in the zoo, your friend. Be very careful. Be one!
Bagam.
Okosisi Anayi Punankete. I am off. Now.
Ma Babugi. You need to be part of this. Ma Babu now.
Nah, ị na-etidokwa mmụọ na-etidokwa.
Agwa m na ndị ọzọ ị ga-like ya. You will say na you be new Exodus abi? M ga-agwa na ya dey ese nne. You see for this matter when you dey young soul with this arọcha. Ndị ọzọ ị ga-like ya.
Obi apaiwa wa ndị mgbu digore.
I don't know about you.
I'm
not part of this.
Pale pobofu ndị mgbu. Petala fazo okwu biko ndị mgbu.
Una don't hear nonsense. Una don't hear nonsense. Chekina. Una one day. Don't hear for call. No, you young for call. I didn't say me and you there. You don't for call.
Why you?
No, you don't for call.
Why you? Onyembu. Ndimbu. Ulu nchanga babu ncha. Nga babu no fofu. Let me tell you what will happen. Leave these ones. Since they not concord to wait till you talk. I better Anna. I follow you sin no. I follow you sin no. Ya chai sin no. Pianya ntina no wanyo ola. Nda. Ekwana miru. Mama follow you sin no. Follow you sin no. Pianya ntina ni isi ewe lukube. Wanyo ola. Nda gene my.
Odogune pempe.
Chakin chaba chaklecha.
Odogune pempe.
Congratulations to your Nuru.
Odogune pempe.
Afudiga fogologia.
Odogune pempe.
Diga de gwo fama pugoba. Mfoli sunno. Mchachanya. Isi ewe lokube. Onwanyo ola. Nda keta.
Believe me, Lucy. I thought he would spend a day or two before leaving.
Well, you told me he went to Calabar.
Yes. He went with my father and returned to Onitsha a day after he got back.
Why so fast?
Relax. He got a call from his boss at work to accompany him to Ghana. So he had to tag his friend Osita along with him.
Did you just say Ghana? Wait. So your brother will fly aeroplane to Ghana?
Yeah, this one, no. Dubem will fly aeroplane to Onitsha, if it's even possible.
Sad I didn't see him again.
Relax. He said he is going to come back to the village immediately after he returns from Ghana. But trust your friend now. I told him about it.
Are you sure?
I told him that a friend of mine seriously wants to see him. He promised me though that he will see you as soon as he arrives. So prepare to meet my brother.
I will now. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you.
You're my friend. I can't say anything for you now.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody. We fear nobody.
I am the only cock that crows loudest in the forest.
How dare you take the life of our boss? How dare you?
Okay, let them go. Stand there. What's happening?
Listen, my government is the only government that will I tell you, my government is the only government that can make it.
See, your boss is dead.
Yes, he's dead. He was shot.
Shot? By who?
By me.
You? How dare you? How dare you take out the only man I do business with?
DPO, leadership is rotational. No king will rule forever. And the only constant thing in life is change. His time was up, so I sent him across to the other side of the world.
I'm going to send you the same place you sent him. For being so bold to come with me with such guts.
Let's be realistic here. You and I know that you can't kill me. I'm here just to find out. Are you with me or against me?
Leave my office.
Leave your place! Leave your office. I will leave your office.
Which office? This one office. Office where you didn't get AC. They sweat. Appeal. We only came here to tell you about the new development. Also want to tell you that we don't need your protection anymore. We don't need your help. Because you never help anybody. Maybe the rest of the gangs might want it. Because they are not protected, they are not fortified. We are well equipped. But DPO, if you feel in your own mind that you want to go against our will, right? DPO, I'm telling you no lie. I'm going to take by roundabout to Toriagi. So come here, go. But if you agree to work with us, DPO. Who breaks on the floor? So what do you think? Say something.
Well, gentlemen, I've heard what you said. Who am I to deny myself the opportunity of getting from this new company? I'm with you.
Now you're talking. I promise my regime will favor you. Welcome to my new page. Odogune Pempe.
Androme Konaka. Anabudinaga. Kakabagoko. Bulinga Maka. Anabrebo.
AKA Namiti Shakina. Shakina. chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
You see, like I said before, once you keep being loyal to my government, you will keep getting returns.
Oh, I will. As I said before, I believe in your government.
I believe you did, you.
Sadubem.
No, you're missing some. Not Sadubem. My new name, my latest name is Shakina.
Oh, I remember. Shakina.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
You told me that you had pushed everything that happened in the past behind you.
I did, Father. Until I got a call from Kelvin.
Kevin? Your fiancé?
Yes, my fiancé in London. He said he's coming to see you for the preparation of our wedding.
God.
I don't know how to explain the only man that truly loves me, that I'm carrying a monster's child.
Baby, but it's not your fault. You know it. It's not your fault. You were raped. How I wish you had told him earlier on phone, so he could make a decision.
Father, I don't know how to tell him. I don't know. I can't tell him.
Then we better don't say a word until he comes. I will explain everything to him and he will understand. Okay? He will understand.
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is why you're watching your traveling bag. I hope you don't intend to travel.
I want to travel to Onitsha.
You don't get to
To see my brother, of course. I called him and he said he's back from Ghana. So I want to go and spend some time with him.
Okay, but I phoned your brother this morning. He said he's coming for the weekend. So there's no need going.
Papa, are you serious?
Yes, when he comes now, you can ask him.
In that case, I will phone him again just to be very sure.
Just give my food.
But Papa, this one I'm going to Onitsha. You need to start learning how to cook for yourself. Or maybe you will start eating outside. Because I'm not your wife, oh Papa.
I know you're not my wife. Very soon I will marry. You don't need to bother yourself.
Papa.
Huh? And I like you're going to Onitsha. To be honest, I like you're going to Onitsha so that when you go there, you know whether you can capture one rich man. Use your beauty and everything in you to capture. I will come and marry you and bring plenty money for the dowry.
Papa!
You see? But who told you I can cook? Who told you? I cook very well when I was a bachelor. And even if I don't know how to cook now, my son is a rich man, can hire a cook for me. Can hire a cook for me? Who will cook for me? Or he will give me money to marry.
Papa, I've heard you.
So better go and get me my food.
Papa, you are rich.
Get a rich person, no marry a rich person. So when I go for Mugo, I will know what to do.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
Shebi na you dey carry government work for head, abi? Odogwu na-epe mpe.
the pempe. Idiot. They carry government work for head.
You know what? Nobody. Who you help? Nobody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How is the work progressing? My friend, where is Ayaka?
He's even the one I'm calling. He said he's coming. I don't know where he has gone.
It means that he went out now. He hasn't come to work. Which one?
It was with us here.
Where is he now? Please tell him that I'm cutting 500 naira from his pay.
Okonta, don't do that. You know he's our friend now. Don't do that.
Which friend? I'm not your friend again. I think I told you that.
I am pleading on his behalf. Don't cut his.
But if you plead more, I'll cut your own as well.
No. Okay. No, remove his own. Don't remove my own.
Where is he now? Where is that boy? That man is.
Ayaka.
Get back to work. Back to your work.
Like son, like father. Like father, like son. Like son, like father.
I want to say a very big thank you for the way you're handling my project. You're monitoring it very, very well. I'm quite impressed. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanking me. Are you thanking me for helping my son to build his own house? After as your father, I'm most equally bad owner of the house.
You are a good father.
Yes, I find a melon wine. Where you find a melon wine?
Tomorrow, I would like to see that the electrician, yes, and the plumber as well. Yeah, I need to see these two people tomorrow.
Yes, I remember. I've been to the electrician.
Okay.
And he said that you have to pay 100K so that they can connect us to the new transformer.
Papa. Where is the list for the market?
My friend, how can you just spread 5,000 to prepare offense salad?
But Papa, I have to buy one full fowl.
Can't, even at that. Even at that.
It's okay.
Money is hard, though.
Look, this is 10K. If you like, buy 2 chicken. Have fun.
I will, and you enjoy it very well.
Ose wa. My guy.
We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come and see. I go on the show, I back fancy. I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl, mommy, go and buy something.
Chucky now.
You're welcome.
How are you? You're good.
I missed you.
I make sure, my love. How are you?
I'm fine.
Got you something.
here for you.
I like it.
No, Amara, there go. Go market,
Go.
I'll see you later. What's the market?
I said they go.
I'll go.
No, take your time. I want for you.
Daddy, I didn't take notice of you. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. It won't run so.
Daddy.
I was about coming to your house. Brother came back yesterday. Yes.
And you waited to tell me now. Why did you wait so long?
Lucy, Julie, and Wanya, what is down? We should leave our brother that just came back to fetch you. Calm down first.
Alpha, I don't want what happened last time to repeat again, please.
Relax, love wants it. Don't worry, he's not leaving anytime soon. I was about to even prepare Ofe Osala for him.
Hey, right away, I'm coming with you. I will give you a hand in doing it.
Here. Aga, with you.
I will get.
This one you are leaving, at least you would have waited to meet my brother to thank him for the bread.
Oh, don't worry, I will come tomorrow. I have to go home and help my parents.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh, don't need you.
Come on, get out of here! Look at you. You think I want to spoil you from seeing her brother? Nonsense, girl.
Alright, my love. Alright, my dear. Don't worry, I'll keep the nsala soup for you so that you can come and eat it later, okay? Okay. Send me well to your friend. Bye. You come and eat it.
Alright, later now, my friend. Asa.
Don't worry, calm down. Cool it down. Cool down, don't worry, Don't worry, I'll do all the talking. Just take after me, just wait. Welcome back.
How are you?
I'm fine. Brother, I want you to hope you remember her.
Good afternoon.
Lucy.
She looks familiar. No, it's been a while.
She's a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
And I want to introduce her to you for friendship.
My dear, how are you?
Sorry. Let me go inside, Let me go and check what's on fire. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back,
Fine.
Are you in school or street?
I'm done with secondary level. I just wrote jam to enter university.
Okay. That's nice. You're doing good for yourself.
Okay. Excuse me. Please, can I have your number? Okay, let me give you mine.
Okay.
Sir, here.
Alpha. Ade. Congo guy, that's it.
My son, see, I admire your courage. I admire your courage and your desire to help humanity. But to depose an incumbent Igwe, to depose him and take over from him is very difficult.
Papa, no. Okongu guy, no. Impossible is nothing. Let me tell you, Okongu guy. Real men want three things in life.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
1, money. 2, fame. 3, power.
Fame and power.
Money, fame, and power. Okongu guy, I have money. So I need fame and power to balance it. I want my name to be ringing bell.
That's a noble ambition. I want to be famous. But it's difficult. It can't be possible.
Okongu guy, with money, all things are possible. Yes. That Igwe is just an old analog king. I want to be the first digital Igwe because I can communicate easily with my people. The youths will connect with me easily because we are like minds. Don't you understand?
My son, I admire your good intentions. I admire your vision and your desire to help humanity, to uplift humanity. That's the one I like most. But to help the helpless. But Igwe will not agree to step down.
Papa, I hate negative vibe. Stay positive. Let me tender my proposal first, before you jump into conclusion. After all, you can't barb a man's head in his absence.
I agree with you. You can't barb a man in his absence. Let's give it a trial.
You're right. So, Kupulum can take it out first. I'm all in Jabum forward.
Then go ahead.
Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, I'm enjoying myself. You've been taking me around the whole village since the morning.
I'm ready to take you anywhere of your choice, anywhere you want to go to. I'm ready to take you there. The money is here. It's meant to be spent, so we're going to spend it.
I'm so happy to know you.
Same here. I love you so much, Amara.
I love you too. I'll be coming to Onitsha soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, that would be lovely. When are you planning to come?
I'll let you know.
Oh, I can't wait to have you around. At least I'm going to spoil you.
Really?
I'll take you places. You know, in Onitsha we have no ShopRite.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll take you there, you see movies, and I'll buy you whatever you want. You know?
Okay.
I'm so happy to meet you. So happy to know you. So happy to be your man.
I expected that by now you should have told me why you are here. But since your crimes have blocked your mouth and closed your mouth from speaking, leave my palace. I said leave my palace!
You will stop shouting, let me pass a message. You are too old to be ruling young people. It's a new generation, jet generation, digital world. You are what I call analog king. There is no connection. Alright, for instance, you are not on Facebook. You are not on WhatsApp. You are not on Instagram. No modern means of communicating to the people you are ruling. So you're just a dummy king. I suggest you go down, let me become the king. What? So that the youths will be happy. Everybody will be happy.
What? I can see you have lost your senses. No wonder. And this is why you carry yourself about as if you are something else. You raise your shoulders as if you are something else. Now, leave my palace. Leave my palace, I say!
Listen, you have nothing to lose. I will offer you 5 million naira. 5 million naira cash just to get out of this throne. Let me be the king so that the youths will enjoy. You don't know what's up now. Let's be realistic here. Do you?
To hell with your blood money! Get out of this palace!
Listen, let me tell you, analog king. If you don't conquer in peace, you will definitely conquer in pieces.
Hey! Don't worry. We shall see.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. My men and I are doing what we could to apprehend those criminals. Yes, sir. We are making a progress. Yes, sir. Military police,
So I said we are progressing. Of course. Yes, sir. I understand that my job is at risk. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I see. So this man wants to put an end to my career. I see. Now I will contact those boys. That's what I will do. Yes.
Sir, I was expecting your call.
Did I say I will call you?
Bro, I gave you my number. Anyway, I picked snails early this morning, so I want to go and get foodstuffs. I want to prepare a very delicious meal for you. Eh? You will like it.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
I knew it, my son. I knew it that Igwe Nathaniel Nkemo Akonam, Igwe Nathaniel Nkemo Akonam will never agree to step down, even if you offer him the whole world. I knew it.
Okongu guy, that man is just an old miserable fool.
Yes.
Can you imagine? He turned down my 5 million naira. 5 million naira.
You gave him 5 million and he refused to accept it?
Oh yes, I did.
He rejected 5 million?
Yes.
Poverty is a disease. Poverty is a disease. That is how his father was behaving. And he died a wretched man. His father died a wretched man, my son. Let him keep his throne. If he likes, let him die on his throne. After he has no heir apparent, no heir to the throne, except that a useless girl names who impregnated her later on. But for now, nothing. We can use that money for some other business, profit-yielding business.
It's obvious. It's obvious poverty runs in their lineage.
Correct.
But guess what? I'm not giving up on that throne. Read my lips. I am not giving up on that throne. I know what to do.
Your tone shows that you have something in mind. My guy, what is it?
The elders.
Oh, I see.
And I need your help, Okomugai. Yes. I will give you money, enough money. I want us to buy all the elders. Once I have all the elders, the throne is mine.
You are really determined. You are determined, and I will assist you. I will assist you, tell me.
And I don't put it in our Igwe! Oyabale.
Like this, who call is well?
My dear, she said he's your brother.
My brother. What did he do?
I saw him yesterday when I was going to the market. I greeted him, but it's not me. And he doesn't have my time.
Are you sure something is not upsetting him?
Asa, what would upset him that he couldn't even answer me very well? I was about preparing a snail soup for a man that doesn't even know I exist.
Okay, calm down.
Lucy.
He will know you exist.
I told you not to worry. Everything is fine. See, I'm sure someone must have offended him or something went wrong. But you know now, I'm here for me. Why do you have me here?
Oh, why,
I don't want you to cry again. It's okay. Come, I have something for you.
never lie but day, I no be fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Feel like say by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and we show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things, I don't know.
Yes, I'm preparing because I'm leaving for Onitsha first thing tomorrow morning.
So soon?
Yes, our general overseer is coming back tomorrow and he would like to see me once he gets to Onitsha.
These days, you hardly spend any time in the village.
I am now a businessman, not like those days I do nothing.
Zubem, are you going back with Osita?
Of course, he's one of our supervisors in the company, so definitely we are going back together.
Okay, but Zubem, I want to go back with you to Onitsha. The other time I told Papa that I wanted to come, he said no because you were coming back to the village. But now you're leaving tomorrow. Me, I must go with you and don't say no to me.
No. If you go back to Onitsha with me, you will definitely regret it. You know why? I leave very early in the morning, I come back midnight, so boredom will be your portion. Don't even go there.
Don't mind. In as much as I leave this village, I want to go back to the city with you. I don't want you to say no this time.
Are you serious? Alright, you win. Go get ready, we are traveling back to Onitsha.
Thank you. Let me quickly go inside and go and pack my bag. Hey, city babe. What is going on between you and my friend Lucy?
What is Lucy?
Zubem. Don't tell me you've forgotten my friend I just introduced to you here a few days ago.
That your Lucy friend has been bugging my life. I told her I'm not ready for any relationship, but she wouldn't listen.
Zubem, you need a woman in your life.
No, I don't. I don't need a woman. Listen, let me tell you, relationships slows vision, so I'm not ready for any girl now. I need to focus, okay?
Okay, if you see so. If you say so, let me go inside and go and prepare.
Oh, but just go and prepare. We're going back to the Onitsha together, okay?
Never lie but day, I no be fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Feel like say by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver.
Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina.
Welcome to our...
This is so beautiful. Are you saying the both of you live here?
Yes, sir, this is company's house, but I'm planning on getting another street apartment. What's up, man? Yes, I traveled to the village for this girl. Okay, alright, I'm coming. What's that? Selenge, we need to roll a business call.
Are you saying both of you are going out?
Yeah, there's an emergency business.
Chakencha, I don't think I'll be rolling with you, man. I'm tired. As you can see, we're just coming back from the village. I need to rest.
I'll go alone. Ami, please be comfortable, yeah?
Okay.
Sure, I have. No, listen. Store on your own. Do you understand? Store on your own.
Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha. Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
Seriously, I don't understand. Why will the CP send in military police? Why?
And it became imperative because of my failure to have arrested the people that gunned down the 2 officers posted to my station.
Come on. I said I'm sorry about those 2 lousy officers. They won't use me collect promotion. Then they carry police work for head. Now then the government.
No. I'm the one to be sorry. For not presenting with suspects as we usually do. Look, I may not protect you and the rest of your gangs if those special officers are sent here. I'm about being pushed out of my position as the DPO. The next thing that follows, dismissal because of my poor record. But I want you and your men to embark on a very special operation.
What operation are you talking about?
Look good. I got an intel that a very huge amount of money meant for ecological projects will move to Agro Community Bank in the next 2 days.
How authentic is this information?
I got it from a very reliable source. And I don't want to lose this opportunity of grabbing a huge amount of money before my dismissal.
Alright then, I need authentic information of when and where this money will be taken to and how many mobile officers that will be escorting this money.
Good. Look, it will be a dangerous one.
Why?
Because many mobile policemen will be guiding the money.
Mr. DPO, my name is Shakina. Mobile police officers are my regular customers. Just give me accurate detail where and when this money will move and how many mobile officers will be escorting this money. That's all, okay?
Very good. I'll complete the information very soon.
Good.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina.
Instead of asking me, why not just do it yourself?
We fear nobody. We shake the town.
Solenge.
We shake the seat.
Let's see. There's a problem in our office.
Just because from you.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina,
Listen real good. We will be hitting somewhere in the next few hours. And this hit will be our last hit in this town.
Why?
Because the Commissioner of Police is angry. Very, very angry because of the 2 officers we killed. So he has sent in military police to sanitize the town.
But I thought the DPO is under control.
This is above the DPO. He's even at the verge of losing his job. The Commissioner of Police is very angry.
You said we have a hit?
We are not having a hit. We are hitting somewhere in the next few hours.
You shall be say we go run. Whether DPO, whether military, whether anybody, we go run. Because when I open my guitar, military, police, DPO, I get one yola, they go come up for their seats.
Odogune Pempe. Odogune Pempe. Odogune Pempe.
Chicken now, me will forget DPO, forget the military police, forget the, now maybe the nag. I mean, I need calories, I need money. Which one be the last operation? This is what make men do. I don't believe this one. Oh.
Corona. Fuck DPO. Fuck military. Fuck anybody.
How can I be living a life of cowardice? How? How? These little boys threaten my life when there is law in this country. No. No. No way. I have to take them up. Dubem and Osita, the both of you must rot in jail. Yes. Yes. But I have to tell my elders. I'll let them know before I take them up. My people, I called you here for a purpose. And we found Agwa Mwanya si Agwa na dear. You know you are my confidants.
Oh yes, oh yes.
My closest.
Yes.
What I don't reveal to you, I cannot reveal to any other person.
Igwe.
This stupid boy, this riffraff. Oh. This stupid boy you call Dubem, whom I call equals to Dubem, came here uninvited, sat here and offered me 5 million naira that I may vacate my throne for him. To fear! Hello! May thunder strike him dead with his ill-gotten wealth and cost money. He say, hi. Now listen. There was a time I told you that hoodlums came here and attacked me and my daughter.
I remember very well.
We were rumoring all this while that those good-for-nothing men were strangers.
Of course, they are foreigners.
I have to tell you today that they are sons of the soil. They are sons of the soil.
What? No son of this soil will ever try that. I trust them.
They are no other persons than the same Dubem and the Osiri. They came here, they robbed us, they treated us like animals. They raped my own daughter even before my presence. What? I am telling you the truth. Robbery is his only source of livelihood.
Hello, Igwe, and you kept this from us? Hey!
Now, listen. I have woken from my slumber. You see those boys? They will never go unpunished.
See.
Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody, we fear nobody. We shake the town. We fear nobody, we fear nobody. We shake the city. Udogune pembe, aka na me be Shakina. Udogune pembe, aka na me be Shakina. Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha, Shakina, Shakincha.